In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail layout. Whether you're aiming for a cleaner look or want to better organize your incoming emails, adjusting your Gmail layout is a straightforward process. So let's dive in. First, open your Gmail account and direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You will notice a small gear icon. It represents the settings menu. Click on it. This is the starting point for accessing various customization options within Gmail, allowing you to modify your inbox layout to better suit your needs. Once the settings menu drops down, you want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Inbox Type. This section is key to transforming how your emails are sorted and displayed. It makes managing your inbox simpler, whether you're focusing on important messages or categorizing emails for ease of access. Under Inbox Type, you'll see several options. For today's task, let's focus on the default view. Next to it, you'll find a button marked Customize. Click on Customize to proceed. This opens up additional options, enabling you to finely tune which categories and tabs are visible in your inbox. The customization menu provides you with several categories that can be checked or unchecked depending on your preferences. Let's start by looking at the Promotions tab. This feature helps organize emails typically associated with promotions, showcasing them in a specific tab away from your primary inbox. If you'd find that helpful, ensure it's checked. Next, let's move on to Social. This tab organizes emails from social networks, keeping messages from platforms like Facebook and Twitter neatly sorted. Again, decide whether having a dedicated social tab would be useful to you and check the box if so. Following Social, you have the Updates category. This includes emails related to confirmations, receipts, or invoices, which can clutter your inbox if not properly organized. By enabling this tab, you ensure such communications are grouped into a single, easily navigable section. With updates addressed, we turn our attention to the Forums option. This is particularly handy if you participate in email-based forums or discussion groups. Enabling this tab keeps all related emails in one place, making it simpler to follow discussions without sifting through unrelated messages. Finally, once you've made all your selections, it's crucial to save your changes to see them in action. Just find the Save button, give it a click, and your new layout preferences will be applied immediately. Your inbox will now reflect the selection of categories and tabs, helping you to stay organized and focused. With your layout now set, managing your emails should be a breeze. You've successfully customized your Gmail to better fit your personal workflow, making it not only an efficient but more enjoyable place for your digital communications. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.